Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram story Restyle something went wrong problem on 2026. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, click on plus icon. Now tap on story and select your photo. Now tap on Restyle. Something went wrong. See, this is a problem, then let's solve this problem. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Find the Instagram apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram app. Scroll down. Now tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now go back and tap on force stop and OK. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store. Update your Instagram apps. Search icon. Now search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. After that, now go to your Instagram apps. Now tap on plus icon. Now select your photo. Now tap on Restyle. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.